seasoned chicken breast. I'm gonna be putting it in some breadcrumbs, and then I'm gonna be using my special grill pan with just a drizzle oil. Listen to that sizzle. This grill pan is absolutely the best. Look at that. Nice car mark. Very simple. Easy. I made the sauce using tomatoes, onions, with some sweet peppers, a little Scotch bonnet pepper, and for the gravy I use my special ketchup with a little barbecue sauce, as well as a little maple syrup. And now I'm going to add the chicken breast into the sauce. So I've added the chicken breast to the sauce, and I'm gonna leave it to simmer for 5 minutes because we only want it to be nice and tender. See you guys in 5 minutes.